Allowed ba ang ating mga pulis na mag-warning shot? Ang sagot dito ay matatagpuan sa ating pinakabagong revised edition ng Philippine National Police Operational Procedures Manual na nirelease noong September 2021. Nakasaad po dito na the police shall not use warning shots during police operation except when the police officer is outnumbered and overpowered. His life and limb is in imminent danger. Ibig po sabihin nito, nililinaw ko lang po na maari pong gamitin ng ating pulis o maari po silang mag-warning shot kung outnumbered sila or overpowered sila. So, as long na may danger po sa kanilang buhay at sa katingin nila ay agrabyado po sila, maari po nilang